This is a 2010 Honda Accord Cross Tour. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a power moonroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a multi-link rear suspension. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a leather-wrapped shift knob, variable cylinder management, an electronic throttle, 12-volt power outlets, stability control, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This Honda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.